What's up, YouTube? So I'm going to be doing a video about cleaning up my car. There's a lot of leaves and stuff kind of on the front, the front end of the area. And come over here, there's some, leaves back here.
Oh my God!
So I'm going to be using that vacuum right there to clean most of the stuff out. So let's get to the video.
Boy!
Runs out at the perfect timing. Great. So now I have to pull my car to that stall so we can get to actually cleaning the car, making it look nice and smell good.
Hallelujah! Thank God.
All right, so now.
Boop!
Put these quarters in this machine so that I can spray the car, because as you can see right here, there's a lot of
Ew! Dude! What the?
There's a lot of gunk on the car, so it's gotta kind of spray it off. Okay, this thing is okay.
'Cause the timer, look at the timer there. Look at your timer right there.
Rust body brushing, not the side of it. Alright. And look at the bottom of your car. The whole entire car. See what? Get the wheels. You got the wheels already, right? 17 seconds.
24 seconds.
Wow. I tried.
Yep.
It's like pink. I'm back, guys. I tried to do this the first time, but I failed horribly. I missed a whole bunch. There's still a whole bunch of gunk on the car and everything. It's a challenge in a way. So I gotta try to beat this challenge. Finish washing the car. So we gotta redo this again for 250 and think we won. I think the car is clean. I don't even know. Alright guys, so now I have to dry off the car, but this is also a challenge as well, because every time I wipe the car off, I have to squeeze out like a sponge, and if you look at my hands are
Holy fish taste!
cold. So you know, I could be sick after this video, but that's fine, just for the content, you know. So let's get to it.
That's fine, it's not wet yet. It's gonna get soaking in here. We'll have to do it. Alright, we're gonna open that door. Let's close that door. One more door.
Yeah. So take a good look at the car and tell me in the comment section below. Tell me, does the car look cleaner or does it look exactly the same as before? You tell me if I did a good job. And if you want me to clean your car, you know you can have my number. No. All right, guys. So now I have to back the car outside so it's not so wet. So yeah, you can see footage of me back in the car or driving. Yeah. Kind of got to warm my hands up a little bit. It's kind of better, but all right. Now I have to get this spray. I don't know, this little white soap thingy, not soap, rub off. Have to spray each individual tire so it has a shine on it. So let's just start with the front. Why not?
It's the side wheel. All right.
Okay, is everything done this time? Do I win? Okay, so guys, finally I can say I'll see you next video. If I'm not sick, hopefully I'm not sick. You know, it's a good content video. I think, I don't know. So hopefully you guys enjoy when it comes out. I'll see you whenever I come back. So yeah.